Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12. Today, we're diving into blockchain in education. Secure your learning future. Discover how blockchain technology protects your grades, verifies degrees, and transforms learning in 2025. This video shares 10 actionable strategies to get started. Hit that like button, grab a notebook, and let's explore. Subscribe and ring the bell for more tech learning insights. Get the basics of blockchain. It's a secure digital ledger for records, like a tamper-proof notebook. In education, it stores grades and certificates. Research shows blockchain boosts trust by 20%. Check #blockchain.x. New to this? Share your thoughts in the comments and grab our guide below. Pick the right platforms. Use BlockCerts for certificates or Learning Machine for records. In 2025, EdTech reviews top options. Studies show platform use improves access by 18%. Start with BlockCerts. Which platform are you checking? Tell us below. Set a goal to engage. Aim to store one certificate or learn one blockchain term. In 2025, Todoist tracks goals. Research says goal setting boosts adoption by 22%. Pick one goal today. What's your goal? Drop it below. Protect your records. Upload a transcript to BlockCerts for a blockchain certificate. In 2025, tools offer easy uploads. Studies show secured credentials cut fraud by 15%. Secure one document. Tried it? Share below. Check authenticity. Use a platform to verify a degree or grade. In 2025, employers accept blockchain proofs. Research says verification saves time by 20%. Verify one record. Verified yet? Tell us below. Learn smart contracts. They automate tasks like grade releases. In 2025, platforms explain contracts. Studies show understanding boosts efficiency by 17%. Explore one contract. Explored it? Share your take below. Use it in life. Share a blockchain credential for a job or track learning progress. In 2025, Notion links records to goals. Research says applied use enhances careers by 18%. Try one application weekly. Applied it? Tell us below. Track your journey. Use Trello to log stored credentials or verified records. In 2025, apps sync with platforms. Studies show tracking boosts engagement by 15%. Review weekly. Tracking yet? Share your app below. Connect with others. Join X's #blockchain or Discord for insights. In 2025, EdTech forums grow. Research says community learning improves skills 10% faster. Join today. In a community, share it below. Keep it balanced. Limit research to 1-2 hours daily with Forest app. In 2025, balance enhances focus by 12%. Pair with traditional learning. How do you balance? Drop your routine below. Let's recap. From exploring platforms to balancing time, these 10 steps secure your learning future with blockchain. Which one's your favorite? Share in the comments. If this helped, like and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more.